Good morning, everybody. It's your pre-market update here for January 21st. And as everybody is on sort of the sidelines here waiting for the ECB to talk a new QE program tomorrow morning, there's an announcement from the ECB at 7:45. We might see a pretty choppy session here. Spies are down about 30 or 40 cents from the close yesterday. As you can see, we closed around 202 on the SPY yesterday. And we're down about four handles or so. Things going on in the news today. We got IBM posting earnings, popped up on the initial reaction here, and is down about 4 points on the news, or sorry, the earnings. Netflix is the big one. Netflix is the big one. Subscriber count went higher, and this is after prior earnings where the stock got beat from 400 to 340. We're right back. We're right back to levels from before they posted the earnings from last time. So, you get this monster dump here. Actually, no, let's go back 6 months. And yeah, here we go. So the stock was at 440, and then opened down here at 360. So stock's going to open up probably around, yeah, right around here at 410, 411. Interesting thing on the options was that last night, the thing was printing around 390 or so. Let's go back to the 2 day here. Yeah, so she was kind of stuck here below, 400, and most of the options here. Well, actually, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Most of the options were already priced in for a significant move. So if you take a look at these Netflix calls, specifically the weeklies that close, this Friday, and we try to go as high as, let's see, as the highest one. So we go to the 400, let's say. Okay. So the 400 here, you can see the 390 here is closed at 4.5. So presumably the stock opens up at 490. This thing doesn't do anything, right? And the 400 here closed at $3. Okay. So presumably the stock opening below $400, nobody really gets paid out. Now that the stock is sitting here at 410, everybody's going to get paid out pretty nicely. Everybody's going to get paid out pretty nicely. I mean, these 390s are going to open up for what, a good $15 or so. So everybody's going to double, triple their money here on these calls. They were pretty relatively priced in until the stock, put in another 20-point move here. So the call holders on Netflix are definitely going to get paid out pretty nicely. I would look for a lot of activity on this thing off the open. Plus today, you know, presumably we get a slow market, SPY not really moving. This could be your stock to trade for the day. Most stocks here are sort of flat. Gold is continuing its current rise, so back up in the pre-markets. We take a look at the past 10 days on this thing. It's been absolutely crazy. Oil is still down. Stocks are basically mixed. We got some up, some down. I'm still waiting around for a bank rally that just hasn't really manifested. So if we go to Bank of America here, we can see that all the punishment from $17 or so, nobody has retraced this at all. So I'm still kind of waiting for this to manifest here. Apple looks pretty strong here pre-market, back over 109, and you remember this retraced this gap here from 108. So this thing is looking pretty bullish. We'll see. We'll see, guys. We'll make sure you check the SLTV after the close with me and Kenny at 4:30 Eastern. Check the post for links, and we'll see you this afternoon for the trading update.